This is milk and water. And now I will show you this is soluble or insoluble. Now I will pour milk in water. And now I will mix it. As you can see, it is completely mixed. And now I have two objects, hand wash and water. Now I will mix it together to show you is it soluble or insoluble. Now I will mix it. As you can see, it is soluble. The hand wash is fully mixed in the water. Now I have very different objects to show you. This is chalk powder. And now I will show you this is soluble or not. As you can see, chalk doesn't dissolve in the water, so it is insoluble and the chalk powder settles down in the water. Now I am going to show you other insoluble object which is oil into water. As you can see, oil is floating over water, not dissolving into water, so it is insoluble.
Today I will explain you about floating and sinking materials. So, do you know what is floating materials? Which can be float in water, like above in the water. Now, what is sinking materials? Sinking materials means which is down in the water. So, there are some objects. Now, I will show you which are floating and which are sinking. Here we will put which are floating. Here we will put which are sinking. So first we will try a flower. So you can see flower is floating water. So we will put here. Now our cloth pin. It is also floating. We will put here. A cap, bottle cap. It is also floating in the water. Now I am taking a steel spoon. It is sinking in the water. Now we will put it here. Eraser. Eraser is also sinking. We will put here. Hairpin. It is also sinking. Leaf. It is floating in the water. A paper. It is also floating in the water. So these are the things which are floating in the water, and these are the things which are sinking in the water. Thank you.
So today we have to do an activity of transparent, translucent and opaque objects. So these materials are. So first we start from transparent objects. This is an example of it. In this you see me perfectly and I also. So the definition of transparent is those substances or materials through which things can be seen are called transparent. Now our second is translucent object. So it is the example of it. You don't see me clearly and I also. So the definition of it, the materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. Now our third and last is opaque object. It is the example of it. You don't see me and I also. So the definition of it is the object in which we don't see anything is called opaque object. Thank you.
Today I am going to show you an activity based on opaque materials, translucent and transparent objects. So first I am going to show you the opaque objects. This is an opaque object, an example of an opaque object. This is a hard box I have taken here. Now I'm going to flash some torch behind the box. There, see, this is a flash torch. Now I'm flashing it behind the box, and in front of the box there is nothing to see. Means this box doesn't allow any type of light to pass through it. Now I'm going to show you the example of a translucent object. What are translucent objects? Translucent objects are those objects that allows only some amount of light to pass through them. For example, I have taken here a colored water glass. Now I'm flashing some torch behind the glass, and you can see in front of the glass there is only some amount of light. Means this glass has only allowing some amount of light to pass through it. We can see. Okay. Now I am going to show you the transparent objects. Transparent objects are those objects that allows means that allow all the light to pass through them, all amount of the light or full the light. So now I am taking here a glass of a clean water. I have taken here. Now I am going to flash the torch behind the glass. So you can see it allows all the flash or torch to pass through it. In my hand there all the torch or light is free. You can see. Okay. So in this video I have shown you the three types of the material, that are opaque, translucent and transparent. Thank you and have a nice day.